This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. As the number of COVID cases are on the rise, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, follow all the precautions, and all those above 45 who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki doori for social distancing, and focus on hand and face hygiene. And now, the news in detail. The Meghalaya government has taken up with the centre on the need to simplify the process of registration for vaccination drive in the state. Deputy Chief Minister Piston Tinsong told media persons that the portal for registration of citizens above the age of 18 years was created by the Government of India. He admitted that there have been lots of complaints received from the public. Earlier, NGOs had requested the state government not to make app-based co-win registration mandatory for the vaccine. They maintained that health being a state subject under the constitutional arrangement, this can easily be done. The upsurge in COVID-19 cases continued in Meghalaya as 1,123 new cases and 21 more deaths were reported yesterday. Out of the new cases, 542 were reported in East Khasi Hills district, while 277 were reported in Ribhoi. Similarly, cases were also reported in other districts of the state. Meanwhile, 509 more people recovered from the viral disease. Nagaland yesterday reported 13 COVID-19 related deaths, taking the number of fatalities up to 258. The state also detected 309 fresh COVID-19 infections, increasing the number of active cases to 4,588. Health and Family Welfare Minister S.P. Pom informed that the state has also had a single highest day recovery of 225 patients. This has increased the number of recovered persons to 14,149. In Manipur, 757 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. On the other hand, 13 persons expired due to the viral infection, thus increasing the fatality due to the pandemic to 674. Also, 652 COVID-19 patients were discharged from hospital after recovery. The number of active cases in Manipur stands at 6,390. The number of COVID-19 vaccinated persons as per the latest count was 34,1,781. Sikkim yesterday extended the ongoing statewide lockdown till 31st of May in view of continued COVID-19 case positivity of over 20%. The state reported 287 new cases yesterday, taking active cases up to 3,194. The state has reported 4,856 COVID-19 cases and 63 case fatalities this month so far. Manipur Chief Minister M. Biren Singh interacted with home-isolated patients through video conferencing to understand their inconveniences and grievances yesterday. Talking to them, the Chief Minister said that the interaction session would continue every day at 7 p.m. till all the patients are covered. Mr. Singh said that as a person who had already been infected by the virus earlier, he can assure everybody that the disease can be cured within 14 days if detected and treated early. At the same time, he cautioned, people need to be careful and strictly follow safety procedures. The Manipur Civil Service Association, along with some IAS SCS officers of 2000 batch, donated 50 D-type oxygen cylinders to the Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund. The cylinders, costing a total amount of Rs 10 lakh, were donated by the association, taking into account the immediate requirement of oxygen cylinders for use in treatment of COVID patients. The cylinders were handed over to the Chief Minister M. Biren Singh. The banned Alpha Independent faction released the abducted employee of ONGC Ritul Saikia yesterday. He was abducted by the outfit last month along with 2 others from Lakwa in Assam. While the 2 abducted persons were released, Ritul was in the custody of the outfit in Myanmar. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma had appealed to the outfit to release him. After that, Alpha Chief Paresh Barwa released Ritul Saikia. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio. Shillong. Have a nice day.